dropshipping dead in 2024? Full explanation and tips to start. So, is it e-commerce or dropshipping? Is it too saturated for 2024? In case you didn't know, TikTok just released a feature called TikTok Shop, and you don't even need Shopify. The store will fulfill drop orders, shipping anymore on TikTok, and the issue about this is that it will wow you guys to list or test things out quickly, without having to set up an entire Shopify store as if I was still playing around with one of the brands I'm currently running. And you can see how much easier be for somebody. Today, we're discussing a current question in the entrepreneurial community. Is dropshipping still a viable business strategy in 2024? As opinions split and rumors circulating, it's essential to differentiate fact from fiction. In this video, we'll look at the present state of dropshipping, determining if it's prospering, surviving, or on its final legs. Therefore, if you're an ambitious online entrepreneur seeking insider tips on navigating the ever-changing e-commerce landscape, you've come to the perfect spot. Stay tuned as we reveal the truth about dropshipping in 2024 and provide expert insights to help you flourish in this evolving landscape. When new products emerge or are exceptionally popular and trending, they will swiftly attract competition. You additionally have to take into account all of the many tools and Chrome extensions that tell you, oh, this is a new winning product, this is now trendy. People may discover what to sell and what sells well through a variety of methods. So, one thing you can do to stand out is market your goods in a unique way. Don't just market it like everyone else, because there's no reason for a customer to choose your product over someone else's. One way to that, which I've seen work incredibly effectively, is marketing the product towards a niche that hasn't seen it before, or selling a specific solution that the product provides. E-commerce will not die in 2024. You must ensure that you are not attempting to reinvent the wheel, but rather putting your unique spin on successful items. There's a reason why there are so many people in e-commerce and making money online niche selling items. Many of them, perhaps 90%, represent promotional stuff you've seen before, and you're like, hey, I tested that product out. I tried to sell that stuff, but it did not work for me. So it all boils down to how you market the goods. Tip number 1, choose a good niche. When starting a dropshipping business, the first and most important choice is to choose the right niche. Choosing a specialty is like calibrating the compass for your dropshipping business. It determines your intended audience, product category, and overall profitability of your venture. Here are certain vital components to consider while choosing a specialty. Choose a specialty that truly captivates you, as the more immersed you are in your niche, the easier it gets to comprehend the needs of your audience. Tip number 2, set up online store. After you've decided on a niche and found a provider, you can launch your internet store. Choosing the right platform, improving your store's design and theme, and implementing features such as mobile optimization and payment gateways are all critical for running a successful dropshipping business. To improve consumer satisfaction, guarantee a safe checkout process with many payment options via reputable payment gateways such as PayPal, Stripe, and Amazon Pay. Tip number 3, establishing pricing strategies. Developing pricing strategies is critical to running a successful dropshipping business. Your pricing decisions have a direct impact on your profitability, competitiveness, and capacity to recruit customers. There are various price options to consider, including competitive pricing, bundling, and dynamic pricing. Competitive selling entails studying other suppliers in your niche and matching or slightly lowering their costs in order to appeal to budget-conscious customers. Bundling comprises offering related products at a lower price, pulling buyers to buy extra by emphasizing potential savings. Dynamic pricing uses automated techniques, alter prices based on demand and competition pricing. Remember that pricing is not a one-size-fits-all approach. Instead, personalize your strategy to your specific niche and target audience. Tip number 4, market your products and drive traffic. After you've chosen your product and created your website, the following step is to effectively promote it. There are several ways to acquire clients, including search engine optimization, SEO, email marketing, and social media marketing. SEO aims to improve your website's exposure on search engine results pages, resulting in greater organic traffic to your e-commerce store. This includes technical SEO, which means optimizing your site's structure and navigation, on-site SEO, which focuses on the quality of your content, and off-site SEO, which entails collecting links from other sources. And the last tip, number 5, once your dropshipping business is up and running, it's time to focus on expansion and scalability. Dedicate a portion of your budget to ongoing marketing efforts. Cultivating strong partnerships with your suppliers can encourage them to give better pricing, higher quality, and faster shipping. As your dropshipping business business grows, it's critical to keep the focus on the fundamentals. This entails establishing a professional workforce, staying current on industry advancements, and prioritizing profitability. Building a professional team entails hiring people with broad skill sets who can contribute to all elements of your organization, from marketing to customer service. Staying up to date on industry trends keeps you informed of growing opportunities and potential difficulties, allowing you to adjust your plans accordingly. Prioritizing profitability entails regularly reviewing, assessing your financial performance, and making necessary strategic changes. This could include enhancing your pricing strategy, improving operational processes, identifying cost-cutting options. When you've established a solid foundation with your initial product offers, consider expanding into adjacent sectors and various product categories. This expansion can help you reach new consumer categories and diversify your revenue streams, hence accelerating the growth of your dropshipping business. Once you've accumulated enough data on your website and begun to rank for those lesser interests, you can use your pixel to target the larger ones. You will now have better data collecting for people to send to your store. You're simply telling these ad networks who is most likely to convert for your goods. To summarize, e-commerce is far from dead. All you have to do is figure out what has previously worked and add a little twist to it. This applies to all businesses, not just e-commerce. Keep that in mind. In the end, despite the ever-changing e-commerce industry, dropshipping is still a viable business approach in 2024. Entrepreneurs can survive in this competitive business by first studying the market and selecting the proper niche, executing successful pricing methods, and focusing on expansion and scalability. Remember that success in dropshipping demands dedication, innovation, and adaptability to new trends. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more informative content on navigating the world of entrepreneurship. Also, don't forget to click the bell button to receive notifications when we add new videos. Are you prepared to take your dropshipping business to the next level? Let us know in the comments what techniques you plan to use to develop your business. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please share them. Thank you for watching, and until next time, continue to hustle and chase your ambitions. Remember, the path to success is just a click away.